There's a thunderstorm more for us. Well, I know the camera looks very clearly. Go in the window.
When you go in your bedroom, try not to slam the door too hard, then. So you don't keep it okay?
What?
Close it easy.
Open this just a little bit. I'll close the door. I'll close it right back, okay? Just right now, I just want to see something. Now we can see like it very clearly. Okay, you can see it very clearly now.
Here she comes.
I'm going outside. I'm gonna be outside for a little bit.
Here she comes. On the run.
Hold her.
I'm not going to sit and hold her if you go outside.
Okay. Now we can see the lighting real good. Nobody's outside. Oh, you caught that one? Oh! Oh, I forgot I caught. Didn't catch that one, I'm sorry. Here comes the wind a little bit. We're still under a tornado watch until 2 o'clock. Yeah, we're on the tornado watch until 2 o'clock in the morning. It's about 10:15. There's a thunderstorm more for us. We'll probably get a tornado warning pretty soon. That'll be about part 7 out of 10. Ooh, you caught that one? That was a good one right now.